boy, Sean TV. You feel me? Back at it again with a new video. As you can see, we're in a bit by the cat. In today's video, you feel me? It's a little different video. Today, I got my girl and I got my partner, Bama Boy, rolling with me.
Whoa. We're gonna be reading comments, the craziest comments y'all seen ever. Yeah.
You feel me? So we're gonna be reading these stupid comments, dumb comments. You feel me? That y'all be asking me. Cause I don't know what's wrong with y'all. Y'all be acting like y'all got a serious problem. But I'm just gonna be, you feel me, driving around in a big cat while answering the questions and stuff. He gonna be reading them out, you feel me? And shit, I hope y'all like the video. So without further ado, finna go ahead and get into it. Bang!
Alright. Question number one. How much horsepower is that baby, bro?
Big 700, you feel me? Big 700 horsepower, you know. I had a Scat, it was 485 horsepower. By any means, that's not a slow car. You can still kill yourself in it, but you feel me? We had to up the score with a big 700. You feel me? This is a big supercharged V8 6.2. Goddamn, shit, that's it. 707 horsepower.
Yo, bro, what carbon kit is that on the dash?
The carbon kit, you can show them. It's from Amazon. I think the brand of the carbon kit, is called Vundula. Some stupid ass name, but it's called Vundula carbon fiber interior trim bezels for Challenger. That should fit any model, especially with the big radio. I know some of the V6s and stuff got a little smaller radio, so it may not fit right for them. So that's where I got that from.
Question. You ever feared that you would slip up and crash?
No, you feel me? Hold on, let me pull the mask down for this shit. Nigga, we the best driver in Alabama, nigga. Ain't nobody whipping the cat better than me. You feel me? I'm the best driver. If any of y'all think different, come see me on everything.
Question. How much did this car cost when you bought it?
When I bought it, let's see. Sticker price, $54,000. After taxes, warranties, and all that shit, I don't even know what the fuck it is again. It probably was like, I guess like 60 something. Cause you know your warranties and stuff. I got a 6-year powertrain warranty, so that was like $2,500. The taxes on that $54,000 is like $5,000. What else you gotta pay when you buy a car? Gap insurance, that's probably like $1,300. What else we got? It's something else that you gotta pay. I think it's I don't know. It's probably about like $65,000, like after taxes, warranties, and all that. Most people don't tell you that. I mean, it really differs on, you feel me, the tax in different states, I guess, and what type of warranties you get, and if you do get gap insurance, which I really highly recommend. You need gap insurance just in case you might pull off the lot. Your ass might get hit by a damn train.
Okay, question. It's a stupid question, but it was like, how does bro have his license?
Shit, goddamn, went to the DMV, goddamn. Pull up to the DMV, you take your driving test. If the police get behind you, you run their ass. Just like we finna do in this video. That's why I got the ski mask on.
Question. How does it feel to have a car that you purchased?
Shit, goddamn. Shit, I guess. Good, goddamn. This the car that I wanted, you feel me? It took a lot of work, you know, having to save money, stack money to get the car that I really wanted. I love it. I don't got no problems with it. And I don't goddamn, I don't know, it's just what I want. Yeah, anybody can get this car though. All thing you gotta do is work, put your mind to it, and believe in God.
Question, have you heard of slow bends?
Slow bends. I think he meant squeeze bends. I think he be in New York. But yeah, I watched a couple of his videos. Now that nigga there is a driver. I ain't gonna even fake. That nigga know how to drive, and I wouldn't do everything that he do. he got it. I'm not a better driver than him whatsoever.
They asked, what is the white car, a GXP?
Yeah, it's a 2006 Pontiac Grand Prix GXP. It's a 5.3 liter V8 front wheel drive. I don't know why the hell they made that car a front wheel drive V8, but they did. That's the only thing that I really dislike about the car. But yeah, it's a GXP 06 Pontiac.
Question, what do you do for work, bro?
I do HVAC. If y'all don't know what HVAC means, it's me heating, ventilating. Damn, I forgot. Heating, ventilating, or some shit like that, and air conditioning. So you feel me? I work on air conditioning units, furnaces, heat pumps. You know, we do HVAC work, which is a trade that I had got in like a year after I had finished high school. So I went to school for it, and that's what I've been doing ever since.
This is not a question, it's a statement. It says, slow down, you're driving too fucking fast.
I don't drive fast at all. I ain't never got no speed ticket. I can't be driving fast. We never got the ticket.
There's another statement. Wow, that was the slowest fast car I ever seen. What was the top speed? Like 40 miles per hour. It made a lot of vroom sound, but vroom and speed are two different things.
I'm happy about this damn question though, because y'all are very retarded. Not all y'all, but whoever did that comment. When I make my videos, I do not be purposely driving extremely fast in every video. Most of the time I be doing, like for my short videos, I be doing sound clips, letting y'all hear the supercharger whine and letting y'all hear the exhaust. By any means, I do not purposely try to go extremely fast all the time.
Next thing they said, the seatbelt alarm beeping.
I ain't gonna lie. I cannot remember to put my seatbelt. Damn, I got the seatbelt on right now.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But I don't know. It's very hard for me to keep my seatbelt on. Well, remember to put my seatbelt on. And let me see that real quick. And back to that question, my top speed is 160, which is not me even trying to hit top speed. But if you think this car is slow, you have a problem. And whoever wrote that comment, if you want to race, come pull up.
Somebody said, wow, your mom must have good credit, bro.
Shit, goddamn. Not really, goddamn. She want me to co-sign for her ass. Oh, God. And she just asked me last week, could I co-sign for her car? I'm the one with the good credit, goddamn.
Question, what intake you got?
I got a JLT cold air intake. I was contemplating, I don't know if that's how I say the goddamn word or what, but I was contemplating on getting a lead maker or a JLT. The reason why I got the JLT intake was because it comes with the heat shield around the intake, so it block out a lot of that engine heat that could be sucking up the hot air. So with the JLT intake, it got a heat shield. The lead maker don't come with one, meaning that it will be sucking more hot air, which is not going to give you any extra horsepower. And also the JLT intake come with the heat rain shield, to where when it rains, the water won't get in the regular Hellcat hood. But since I upgraded to the redeye hood, I don't have to worry about that problem. So shit, that's why I picked the JLT intake.
Okay, this other person said, oh, laughing emoji. We know you were pump faking, standing in a S-turn with the camera talking about Hellcat. Guess that's why he hit brakes fucking boat. It's basically just a fucking 7 Series BMW.
I don't even know what the fuck he talking about. I honestly don't. I don't even know what that. I don't even understand the question. I don't even know what the fucking S-turn is. I swear to God.
Oh, it said the only thing good about a Dodge is the engine. The rest is junk.
I mean, is that what you think? I guess. I mean, I don't what other car, unless you build something, which, I mean, I don't got no problem with building a car. Me personally, I don't want to build a car because I done had uncles and stuff who build cars, and they car be in the shop more than they have it. And they was just dumping a lot of money into building the car up and tearing shit up. And it just seemed like a big money pit. Now, a Hellcat comes with 707 horsepower. I bought this car for $54,000. I got Harman Kardon sound system with the 2 subs in the trunk. You feel me? Half of the people on the road, no, like 80% of the people on the road cannot beat me in no type of race. You feel me? I got the sunroof, I got leather seats, I got space. You feel me?
Somebody said idle is 8 to 1,000 RPM.
They said what?
They said idle is 8 to 1,000 RPM.
Yeah, that's about right. I think 800 to 1,000 RPM. Yeah, that's the right idle.
Somebody said some people are just not meant to own these art pieces.
What the fuck I did wrong? I ain't doing that. I mean, hold on. They probably talking about. First of all, I think I know what video that came from. That came from the video. I made a short and I went around the corner with my hood off because I was putting a redeye hood on there. I drove 1 minute around the corner with my hood off just to let them hear how loud the supercharger line is. And he said, I don't deserve these art pieces. I don't understand, buddy. I didn't do nothing wrong.
He said you do the swap yourself.
A swap? There's not no swap. A swap. I'm pretty sure you're talking about swap. First of all, to y'all who y'all probably think I swapped a Hellcat motor into my old Scat Pack. My old Scat Pack was the exact same color, and a lot of people think that I did a Hellcat swap. No, I did not do a Hellcat swap. I traded my Scat Pack in, and it just ended up the car that I was finna buy a black Hellcat at first, but they had sold it. I found this one, but it was the exact same color. So it's a totally different car. It just was the same color as my Scat. I am gonna be getting it wrapped. I really just don't know what color to wrap it or what I want to do. I want to do something to where I stand out and something that'll really be like, oh, that's Sean's TV, because I feel like it'll help with me progressing on YouTube. People see me, they be like, okay, I know exactly who that is. That's Sean's TV, which should help out my social media platform. So yeah.
Somebody said, bro, you got 2 hands. Use them before your loved ones have to come identify what's left. If that's real, if that thing really is have 1,000 horsepower that you're playing with some stupid games, driving like that. Stay safe, buddy.
Driving like what? I ain't gonna do nothing that I can't handle. If I don't know how to do it, I ain't gonna do it.
Somebody said, did you give blood so you can fill your gas tank up?
Give blood to fill my gas tank. Shit. If I can get paid from it, shit, I might. Goddamn.
Somebody said, by the looks of your arms, it looks stolen.
Now, what the nigga trying to say I'm black?
I think that's it. That's it for today, y'all. That's it for today, y'all.
Alright, y'all. That's gonna conclude this video. Y'all are some funny ass people. Goddamn. And I don't know if y'all gonna even like this video. But if y'all do, you feel me, that's good. Please like, comment, and subscribe. My next video that I'm gonna be posting is gonna be a real banger. You feel me? We're gonna try to at least have 2 Hellcats, a Scat Pack, some other type of car in the video. We're gonna be cutting up, you feel me?
I will give a fuck about the
real good
negativity in the motherfucking comment. Fuck the negativity. I fuck with everybody that's doing right, but Fuck you all the haters.
Yeah.
Still coming up.
We don't care about
10K on the
that.
road. Yes,
We
sir.
still gonna be positive at the end of the day. We gonna have fun and we gonna keep giving y'all boys some good content. So that'll be it for this video, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, road to 2,000 subs. You feel me? And until next time, that'll be it. Peace.